In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Endless Legend 2 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Now once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game on Steam and then we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So what we will do, quickly go to the Steam website. Don't waste too much time over here because we are not going to buy this game at Steam. We are going to download it at another website. Search for the game Endless Legend 2. After that select the game and scroll a little bit down. Then you will find out that this game on Steam is quite expensive, €39.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here we can search for the same game, Endless Legend 2. Select the game, after that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now you will find a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then you can select the game. Now if you open this game page, you will find out that we can already download this game at the Microsoft Store much cheaper than on Steam. The price on this website is €19.84 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. What you can do is purchase this game on this website and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a new legit Microsoft Store account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!